ayat number 2 of Surah Al-Baqarah, which is Zalikal Kitabu la Raiba Fi, which means that there is no doubt whatsoever in the book revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is Al-Quran. Allah said there is no doubt whatsoever in this book that I have revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And in this regard, we were discussing that we all know through the Quran that Quran was not the only book that Allah revealed, but Allah also revealed the Tawrat, the Zabur, the Injil, which He mentioned in the Quran. So by name, the Quran mentions 4 books: Tawrat, the Zabur, the Injil, and the Quran itself. But Allah Rabbul Alameen has revealed books other than these 4 books that have been mentioned by name in the Quran. Their names Allah Rabbul Alameen did not mention in the Quran, and therefore we do not know the names, but we know that Allah revealed other messages also. Like when we read Surah Ala, in the last ayat, Allah mentions about Suhuf Ibrahim wa Musa. He gave Suhuf to Ibrahim alayhi salam, meaning Suhuf means books. So they were given even to, the Sahifa were given to Ibrahim alayhi salam as well.